Okay, so sometimes what will happen is these thermostatic valves will jam up. So the easiest way to deal with it is to remove the actual head. You're not going to have any water going anywhere or anything like that. Just take the head off, and then you'll see that there's a wee pin there, just here. So what you need to do is just get a pair of pliers or a set of grips and just move that pin up and down, and that'll release the pin off the seating, which then gets the valve open again. That one's okay, but yeah, that's a big problem, and it's an easy solution. Alright.